boom. Ito na. Ha. Tig, 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 tig. Up, down, down.
4, 3, chat!
Ito na, the iconic palaban. Yun. 7 and 1 and 2. So meron tayong right muna na hip. And then we're just going to t. Yan. I see. That's L, and then down, up. Yan. 5, 6, 7, and papalaban. Ha, ha. Make sure na may tingin siya sa taas. Tapos hawak kayo dyan para meron kayong crown talaga. And then, right and right center. Pero yung last na center, tig-tig. May ganun siya. Yan. So, as in, hampas nyo yung ulo nyo. 5, 6, 7, and papa. Boom, boom. And then after this, here's the action. Here's the reaction. So, tig-tig, tap, open. And after this, we isolate our head to our right. Tig-tig, tig-tig. So, meron tayong tig-tig, tig-tig. And then we release our guns. Ito siya. So, tig-tig, tig-tig, ha, ha. Nice. 5, 6, 7, and tig-tig, tig-tig, ha, ha. Next, brush, brush. Okay, so brush right, opposite, right, ha. And then we're going to caress to the back, and then Yan, ti. Okay, so meron tayong brush, brush, and back, up. Yan. Tapos, dun ulit tayo sa ti. Ulitin lang natin siya for the second time. 5, 6, 7, and pu. Daan. Ka. Pum. Ha. Ito lang mababago. The second part. So after this, ti. Mag-release lang tayo ng kamay here. Yan. So ito lang yung kamay ko. And then up. So it's like boom, 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 boom. Tapos parang may latigo na sound effect doon. Hahampasin nyo lang yung hip nyo. And then, ganun lang siya. So, pagka slap, chi, ganun lang. Yan, maganda lang, parang umuulan lang. Ganun.
Oo, parang nasa forest lang.
Yeah, nasa forest. ASMR talaga to, actually. Okay, so doon tayo sa unang papapalaban. 5, 6, 7, and